Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I fixed my broken nail using Polygel. So while removing my previous set, I broke two of my nails. As you can see, my middle finger and ring finger are a hot mess. So I just cut off the excess nail that broke. This is my first time doing this method. I just wanted to try it out. Usually I apply tips, but I really didn't feel like doing that with these nails. I wanted a more natural look and I just wanted to experiment as well. So I apply some base coat to two of the nails and cured for 30 seconds. Now I'm taking a nail form. I've never used a nail form in my life, so I didn't really know what I was doing, but I have seen long hair pretty nails do it a few times, so I had a good idea of what I was doing. But it's easier to really watch it and imagine yourself doing it than actually doing it. But it's not rocket science, so eventually I should get it right. So anyway, this is me applying it. I don't know how to explain it, so yeah, just look at what I'm doing. So I just try to line it up as best as possible and ensuring that the two sides have the same amount of the balance, I guess, and ensuring that the form is under my tip. So yeah, I'm just making sure that my nail lines up with the lines on the nail form, so it would be balanced. So y'all, I don't know what I'm doing, I was saying, but yeah. So now using the Gershion clear polygel for this, so I squeeze out some of the polygel and then I dip my brush into the rubbing alcohol and then placed it on the nail to smoothen the polygel on my nail. I was just hoping for the best and evenly distributing the polygel. It doesn't look that great now, but I'm doing it with my non-dominant hand, so it is expected that it will look crappy. And then I just cured for 1 minute. So this is how it looks when I remove it from the nail form. I mean, it looks like it has potential, so I just wipe it with some alcohol and move on to the next nail. I used the same nail form because why not? Now I'm just filing the nails to get my usual shape. I show some clips of myself filing right here, nothing much, but just enough so that you all could get a better idea of how I file my nails. And this is the finished look. It's crazy to believe that those two nails aren't my natural nails and they look so natural. So if that ever happens to you, just use Polygel and you all could get the same results like I did. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.